I never realized until I was reading comment a few weeks ago that OpenSCAD had code templates. What I mean by code templates is that you can paste some of your code and then you can put the cursor where you want it. You can also just copy and paste this, but I like it that you can put the cursor where you want so you can get typing. I am using the nightly build of OpenSCAD. I'm using the one from May. I don't know whenever this was added. The templates can be found in on Windows, C, Program Files, OpenSCAD Nightly, and then in Templates. I would suggest changing your folder permissions to full control, just because it's annoying every time you want to copy a file or delete it. Windows nags you about it. Also, as far as I know, editing templates requires a program restart, so I'll probably be doing cuts of me switching back. I'm using Visual Studio Code. You can use Notepad or Notepad++ or something to edit the JSON files. But here's a short example of one I made. Just go down, right click, and then you go insert template. You can also use Alt Insert, and then it'll bring up a little list. We'll do one of the ones built in first. And it just puts you in the rotate, and then it puts you in your cursor. We'll do one I made. This is one I was kind of messing around with. I don't know if it's final yet, but it's basically a starting boilerplate. Just because I've gotten to the point where sometimes I just create so much code now that it just gets annoying to set up everything again and try to remember how I had everything typed or spaced. All right, let's see. I'll delete that. Save that. Then I'm gonna switch over to Visual Studio Code, and then we're gonna go through that. Here in Visual Studio Code, I just have the folder where the templates are located up in the editor. As you can see, they're JSON files. This is what they look like. This is some of the examples. I don't know if there's any more documentation on this, but I've just been going off what these files are and just kind of how they're set up to get ideas. I don't know if there's more information out there. I guess if somebody wants to let me know, I'd appreciate it. So let's just take rotate. We'll copy it. Let's rename it. As far as I know, renaming it is not dependent on anything. You can name it whatever you want. We'll just put test. And what do we want to call it? Let's do something custom. We'll just do, I don't know, custom. All right, custom comment. Custom comment, maybe a dash. Let's see, and we want to keep that. As far as I know, the little uptick arrows and the tilt, I think that's where the cursor goes. So if we do, let's do that. And then I'm going to switch over to OpenSCAD because I got to reload it. Okay, then we go back to this, insert template, and there's our name, custom comment. And then we could just start typing our comment. All right. Save that. Then we'll jump back to Visual Studio. Now, if we want to do something more elaborate, let's just get rid of this so I don't get confused. Let's do something like, let's do like a multi-line comment. Let's see, what's tab, \T. Let's just do, I don't know, project name. Let's do a tab. Then we're gonna put, I don't know, we'll just put some project. See, what was the tilde? That was the up arrow. Tilde. Okay, then we're gonna do a line return. Wait, is it? I think it's a new line. Let's see, I think we're gonna tab over. We might want to, yeah, we'll tab over once. And we'll just put created by. I'll just put my name. Then we need to do a new line. Oh yeah, we need to do, we need to close our multi-line. Oops, I did that wrong. All right, we're gonna jump back and test this. See how we custom comment. All right. Probably need to put another tab here after my created by. So let's look at that again. Okay, so the cursor, like if I start a new project, then I would change the name. I'd want to instantly change the name. Okay, so we'll do that. Let's see. So I need to go. Okay, so yeah, that's something to fix that. I guess I'll do another example just to show it. So we'll go back to Visual Studio. I'm forever using Translate, but I'm gonna change this one. So let's copy that, paste it, rename. I'm gonna say custom transform. Translate, I mean, translate. All right. We're gonna make this so I know which one it is. Let's see, what do I want to do here? Let's see, I like putting the 0, 0. We'll do that. We'll do a new line. We'll do a tab to tab in. And we'll do another new line. And then we'll do our closing bracket, right? Wait, I want the, after you tab in, I forgot I want to do where the cursor is. So then after the translate, it should do the open bracket, then it'll do a new line, then it'll tab in, then our cursor should be there, then it should be the new line, and that should be closing. All right, let's test this out. Then we go to insert template. Let's go to our custom translate. And that's exactly how perfect. I may change these to X and Y and Z maybe, but I'm fine with that now. I guess if anybody has any questions, I'll try to help them out, but I just found this out, like I said, a couple weeks ago. So I'm kind of new to it. I still want to play around with it, but I think it's a nice addition. One thing also I tried looking into, I wish there was hotkeys. It'd be nice if like I had just do like a control T and do a custom translate. I don't know if they have a custom like keybinds or hotkeys in yet. I guess if they do, let me know. But thanks for your time.